stop what you're doing. Seriously, hit pause on whatever you're doing right now. Because in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how to get a European river cruise for practically free. We're talking insane budget hacks, mind-blowing luxury secrets, and how I scored free upgrades and hidden discounts that cruise lines don't want you to know about. This isn't a trick, it's the ultimate guide to European river cruise deals. If you've ever dreamed of cruising Europe, but thought it was out of reach, you need to watch until the very end, because you won't believe what's possible. Get ready to cruise Europe for free, or at least for a fraction of the price. Let's dive in. All right, let's kick things off with the question everyone asks. Can you really cruise Europe for the price of a weekend getaway? My answer is a resounding yes, and I'm not talking about sacrificing quality. We're going to show you how to snag incredible value, find those elusive hidden discounts, and get more for less than you ever imagined. This isn't just about saving money, it's about smart travel. First up, the golden rule of budget cruising. Timing is everything. Forget peak summer. The absolute best time to find European river cruise deals is during the shoulder seasons. That's April, May, September, and October. The weather is still fantastic, the crowds are thinner, and prices can drop by 20-40% compared to July and August. Want an even deeper discount? Consider a winter cruise, especially for the magical Christmas markets in November and December. You'll get a unique experience and often pay significantly less. This is where strategy comes in. Are you a planner or a spontaneous adventurer? For the planners, early bird discounts are your friend. Booking 12 to 18 months out can secure you the best cabins, itineraries, and often comes with perks like free airfare or onboard credit. But for the truly flexible, keep an eye out for last-minute deals. If a cruise isn't fully booked a few weeks before departure, prices can plummet. The catch? Less choice, but potentially massive savings. Sign up for email alerts from cruise lines and travel agents for these flash sales. Don't just look at the big-name cruise lines. There are fantastic smaller local operators who offer incredible value. They might not have the same marketing budget, but their service is often just as good, if not better, and their prices are significantly lower. Do your research, read reviews, and be open to exploring options beyond the mainstream. You might discover a hidden gem. Let's be real. On a river cruise, you're not spending all your time in your cabin, you're out exploring. So, consider booking a lower deck cabin or a smaller stateroom. These are often hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars cheaper than balcony suites. You'll still have all the ship's amenities, and that saved money can go towards amazing experiences ashore. It's a smart budget hack that doesn't compromise your overall trip quality. Finally, for budget, let's talk about the all-inclusive myth. Sometimes a cruise that seems more expensive up front because it includes drinks, excursions, and gratuities can actually be cheaper than a budget cruise where you pay for every single extra. Do the math. Add up what you'd likely spend on drinks, tours, and tips on an a la carte cruise and compare it to the all-inclusive price. You might be surprised to find that the luxury option is actually a better European river cruise deal in the long run. Now, for those of you who dream of butler service, gourmet dining, and exclusive excursions, but don't want the premium price tag, this segment is for you. What if I told you there are ways to unlock luxury experiences without breaking the bank? We're talking free upgrades, exclusive perks, and timing your trip for maximum indulgence at a fraction of the cost. This is one of my favorite luxury secrets, becoming an upgrade whisperer. First, if you're a repeat cruiser with a specific line, leverage your loyalty status. They often prioritize loyal customers for upgrades. Second, and this is key, politely ask at check-in if there are any available upgrades. Sometimes, if a higher category cabin is empty, they'll offer it at a reduced rate or even for free, especially if you're charming. It never hurts to ask. Keep a keen eye out for cruise line promotions that offer significant value. We're not just talking about discounts here, but things like free airfare, complimentary drinks packages, included gratuities, or generous onboard credit. These aren't direct price cuts, but they effectively reduce your overall trip cost and elevate your experience to a luxury level without you paying extra. A free drinks package on a 7-day cruise can save you hundreds. A good, experienced travel agent specializing in river cruises is your secret weapon for luxury for less. They often have access to exclusive group rates, unadvertised promotions, and can even secure extra perks like onboard credit, complimentary excursions, or even those coveted upgrades that you might not find on your own. Their expertise can literally save you thousands and add immense value. Don't underestimate the power of credit card points and travel rewards. Many premium travel credit cards offer huge sign-up bonuses and ongoing rewards that can be redeemed for flights, hotel stays before or after your cruise, or even directly for cruise credit. Imagine using points to cover your airfare, effectively making your European river cruise deal even sweeter. This is a fantastic way to achieve luxury for less. If a full luxury cruise isn't in the cards, create your own mini luxury experience. Instead of paying for a top-tier cruise, book a mid-range option and then strategically splurge on luxury moments. Maybe it's a Michelin star lunch in a port city, a day pass to a high-end spa in Vienna, or a private walking tour with a local expert. These targeted indulgences can give you that feeling of luxury without the full luxury price tag. It's about smart choices for maximum impact. Beyond the ship, beyond the standard tours, this is where we uncover the secret menu of river cruising, the unique, often overlooked inclusions or experiences that add immense value and truly elevate your entire journey. These are the hidden discounts and perks that make your European river cruise deal truly unbelievable. Most river cruises include a variety of shore excursions. But here's the hack. Don't just go on the most obvious one. Look for the unique, often smaller group tours that offer a deeper dive into local culture. Is there a cooking class, a special wine tasting, a visit to a local artisan? These are often included and provide incredible value that you'd pay a premium for independently. Maximize these unbelievable extras. Many river cruise ships offer complimentary bikes for guests to use in port. This is a fantastic, often overlooked perk. Instead of paying for a taxi or a bus, grab a bike and explore charming towns and scenic river paths at your own pace. It's a wonderful way to get active, see more, and save money. A true budget hack for your European adventure. Some even offer kayaks or paddleboards. Don't forget the onboard enrichment. River cruises often feature local experts, historians, or musicians who come aboard to give lectures, performances, or even cooking demonstrations. These are incredible opportunities to deepen your understanding of the region you're traveling through, and they're usually completely free. It's an unbelievable extra that adds so much to your cultural experience. This might sound small, but it's a game changer for longer cruises. Some ships have self-service laundry facilities. This means you can pack lighter, wash clothes mid-trip, and avoid expensive hotel laundry services. Ask about it when you book. It's a practical hidden discount that makes a big difference. Wow! These aren't just tips. These are game changers. From timing your trip perfectly and leveraging hidden discounts to scoring free upgrades and discovering unbelievable extras, you now have the insider knowledge to find the ultimate European river cruise deals. You can absolutely cruise Europe for free, or at least for a price that will make your friends green with envy. Now go out there and find your ultimate river cruise. Apply these budget hacks and luxury secrets and get ready to cruise Europe like a pro, saving big and experiencing even bigger.